Hello viewers and welcome to our video on the best kitchen and outdoor smart gadgets that can make your life easier. In today's fast-paced world, smart gadgets have become an essential part of our lives, and we are constantly looking for ways to make our daily tasks more manageable. In this video, we will introduce you to some of the most innovative and high-tech smart gadgets that can help you upgrade your kitchen and outdoor setup. So let's dive into the video. Chef Caddy. The Chef Caddy is a revolutionary kitchen gadget that will change the way you cook. This compact device has everything you need to prepare meals like a pro, including measuring cups and spoons, a cutting board, knife slots, and even an iPad holder for easy recipe access. The Chef Caddy is designed to keep all your cooking essentials organized in one convenient location. No more scrambling around the kitchen looking for misplaced tools or ingredients. With this gadget at your fingertips, meal prep becomes quick and stress-free. Another great feature of the Chef Caddy is its sleek design. Made from high-quality materials, it looks great on any countertop and adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Saki Turkish Tea Maker Gen 2.0. The Saki Turkish Tea Maker Gen 2.0 is one of the best kitchen gadgets for tea lovers. It allows you to brew traditional Turkish tea in a matter of minutes without compromising on taste or quality. With its sleek and modern design, this gadget fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The easy-to-use digital controls make it simple to select your desired brewing time and temperature, ensuring that your tea is brewed just right every time. One of the standout features of this gadget is its ability to keep your tea warm for up to 2 hours after brewing. This means that you can enjoy multiple cups of hot tea throughout the day without having to constantly reheat it. Innovagoods Champagne Gun. The Innovagoods Champagne Gun is the ultimate party accessory that will take your celebrations to the next level. This innovative gadget allows you to pop champagne bottles in a more stylish and fun way with its gun-like design. With this champagne gun, you can shoot champagne up to 6 meters away, making it perfect for outdoor parties or large indoor gatherings. The device is made from high-quality materials and features an elegant gold finish that adds a touch of glamour to any occasion. Using the Innovagoods champagne gun is easy. Simply load the bottle into the chamber, pull back on the trigger, and watch as it shoots out a stream of bubbly goodness. It's great for impressing guests or just having some fun with friends. Tarakaf Automatic Espresso Machine. The Tarakaf Automatic Espresso Machine is one of the must-have kitchen gadgets for coffee lovers. It offers a unique brewing experience with its intuitive touch screen and customizable settings. This machine grinds fresh beans on demand, ensuring that each cup of coffee is as fresh as possible. With options to adjust grind size, water temperature, and milk frothing levels, you can customize your drink exactly how you want it. The sleek design fits perfectly in any modern kitchen and takes up minimal counter space. Plus, it's environmentally friendly with its reusable metal filter instead of single-use pods. Mastermill 5-in-1 Multi-Section Spice Grinder. With its 5 interchangeable sections, the Mastermill Spice Grinder allows you to easily grind and store all your favorite spices in one place. The compact design makes it easy to store in your kitchen cabinets or on your countertop, and the durable construction ensures that it will last for years to come. But the real magic of the Mastermill Spice Grinder is in its functionality. Unlike traditional spice grinders, this gadget allows you to easily switch between different spices without having to clean the grinder between uses. This means you can grind and store all your favorite spices at once and simply switch between them as you cook. Cheers Beer Tower Dispenser. The Cheers Beer Tower Dispenser is a must-have gadget for anyone who enjoys hosting parties and gatherings. This innovative device allows you to serve your guests chilled beer right from the tap, providing authentic pub experience in the comfort of your own home. With its sleek design and durable construction, the Cheers Beer Tower Dispenser is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. It can hold up to 3 liters of beer and comes with a removable ice cube that keeps your brew cold without diluting it. One great feature of this dispenser is its compatibility with various types of kegs or growlers, allowing you to enjoy different beers according to your preferences. Its simple operation makes it easy for anyone to use. Simply pour in the beer and pull down on the tap handle. Rollap Colorful Table Mat. The Rollap Colorful Table Mat is a perfect addition to any kitchen or outdoor dining space. This mat comes in a wide range of colors, so you can choose the one that best fits your decor style. Not only does it add a pop of color to your table setting, but it also serves as an effective way to protect your table from spills and stains. Made of high-quality PVC material, this mat is durable and easy to clean. The Rollap Colorful Table Mat is also versatile enough for use both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're hosting a dinner party inside or having a picnic outside, this mat will help keep things looking neat and tidy. Giradec Hand Coffee Grinder. The Giradec Hand Coffee Grinder is a must-have kitchen gadget for coffee lovers who appreciate the art of brewing. This manual grinder allows you to grind your favorite coffee beans to perfection, so you can enjoy a fresh and flavorful cup of coffee every time. With its durable stainless steel construction and easy-to-use design, the Giradec Hand Coffee Grinder is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their coffee experience to the next level. The adjustable grinding mechanism lets you choose from fine or coarse grounds depending on your preference, while the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Bare Electric Griddle. The Bare Electric Griddle is a smart gadget that every kitchen must have. This gadget has transformed the way we cook our meals, and it is incredibly easy to use. The griddle has a non-stick cooking surface that ensures your food doesn't stick, making cleaning up easier. The temperature control feature of the Bare Electric Griddle allows you to adjust the heat according to what you're cooking, ensuring that your food comes out perfectly cooked every time. Whether you're making pancakes or grilled sandwiches, this griddle can handle it all with ease. MagToBuy Ad Hoc. The MagToBuy Ad Hoc is a unique kitchen gadget that utilizes magnetic force to keep your cookware stable on your stovetop. This device consists of two parts, a magnetic disc and a metal plate. The magnetic disc attaches to the bottom of your cookware, while the metal plate sits on your stovetop. One of the key benefits of the Mag2 is its ability to prevent your cookware from sliding or tipping over. This is particularly helpful when you're cooking with heavier pots and pans, which can be difficult to maneuver on a stovetop. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.